Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I am going to explore Odoo19 for point of sale business process. And my case is simple. I am going to use accounting with perpetual inventory method. So here in my master configuration, I have already selected perpetual with average costing and then inventory valuation account and journals. As well, I have created POS product as a category with product sales, cost of goods sold, inventory valuation, and this setting. Now, only thing is, let me check which, you know, so cost of goods sold account I am replacing over here in product account, and everything is set now. So in my POS, I have done very minimalistic setting for this video purposes. And now what I will do is in my payment methods, I will make customer is mandatory over here. And then we have to give the necessary setting over here when we select customer identification is mandatory. Why? Let's see that. So now in my inventory, I have one product, product one, which has zero inventory on stock right now, and my category is fixed over here. Now I will create a purchase order from my vendor one, and then I will select my product. I am buying 100 unit at $10 each. I confirm the order and I receive it. So during receiving, as we all know, now it will not create any inventory valuation. It will only create the valuation while we are confirming the vendor bill. Over here now inventory valuation will debit at the time of vendor bill creation in perpetual method. So over here now if I check my balance sheet, I can see the current asset with inventory valuation worth $1,000. Now what I will do, I will create and register my sales with different customers. So first I will try to sell, and then I will change my price to $20 each for product one, and then I will go and register payment. So now Odoo will give us an alert like customer is required. So I will create a new customer and then register my sale. And then this receipt will be auto generated. So amount is paid. Now I will again sell maybe 8 unit with, let's say, different price, and then I'm selecting and I'm creating another customer 2, and then taking payment in cash and validating it, and then my payment is done for 2 different customers over here. Now I'm selling again 2 unit, let's say with different price, creating another customer because customer is mandatory, and I'm accepting card payment over here, and then my transactions are done over here with 3 different customers. Now if I want to see you know the orders which I have served, so we can see all 3 paid orders with customer 1, 2 and 3, and then I can go and close my register and tally my cash over here. My cash is 339.20 and card account, and I am closing my register over here. Now over here, if I go and check my orders with all this, now you can see pickings are generated, and then when I go to accounting and check my balance sheet, Now you can see the inventory valuation is still 1000. So what we need to do is in point of sale in my orders, now I have to create the invoices. So I will create the invoice for all my sold orders. So as soon as I create the invoice and then it is marked as paid, at that time my cost of goods sold and inventory valuation will be credited and cost of goods sold will be debited. So over here, to carry my accounting impact with valuation, we have to create the invoice in Odoo point of sale with our customer entry to register entire perpetual accounting entry. So in Odoo19, the case is if you are using point of sale, you must register and create the invoice. Let's do once again. I am opening the register and selling this product and then selecting my new customer. So creating, saving the customer and registering payment over here. And I am clicking invoices over here. So at the time of validation, only the invoice will be created over here, which I don't want to download and I don't want any receipt. And then my transaction will be done over here. So that when I close my register, I will verify my cash and then I am closing my register. So over here now with my latest POS order, you can see invoice is already generated and my valuation credit is done. So with invoice creation only, you will see impact of inventory valuation over here with all the customer transaction with credit entry for cost with stock valuation decreasing. And then in balance sheet, you can also see your another transaction that is in profit and loss where you can see cost of goods sold for all your accounting entry. So Odoo19 is coming up with big change of perpetual setting of stock valuation, and with customer invoice only we can find the stock valuation entry in right way with cost of goods sold registration. Hope this will help many people to start using Odoo POS with customer invoice enablement and see their valuation and cost of goods sold accurately with perpetual accounting in Odoo19. If you have any question, you can definitely approach me on YouTube, description chat on LinkedIn and my email. Thank you guys. Have a good day.